Welcome to the latest Fowler Welch Industry Insight, where we ask experts about trends and issues affecting retail, food production and logistics.
My name is Alice Ellison. I'm the Environment Policy Advisor for the British Retail Consortium. And the British Retail Consortium is a leading trade association for retail, and we represent a range of retailers from supermarkets, DIY stores, fashion, beauty, etc. Its objective is to show what retail is doing, what the progress is that's been made and what the ambition is within retail. So it provides a very good sort of snapshot of the industry as a whole. I think it really showcases what's happening and what could happen. Obviously, transport generally, looking at trying to reduce the carbon emissions there, so alternative fuels, more efficient use of more efficient use of vehicles by drivers, also sort of lower carbon impact vehicles. What's quite interesting, I think, is load sharing as well. So we've had examples where through a third party, maybe it's a logistics company, retailers are actually sharing their loads in some areas. And then also using transport to sort of for other uses, for example, like backhauling waste. So taking products to a store and then taking the waste from that store back to the depot or to a recycling centre. So I think it will be in the supply chain and in end use. One area that I think is a priority is water use. So that's both operational water for retail, but also more importantly in the supply chain and in the production. I think retailers are looking and developing alternative forms of transport. So load sharing is one option, but also using rail more often and sea as opposed to air. Also, retail is, as we all know, is changing. So there's a move from out-of-town shopping centres to small convenience stores, which will affect logistics and emissions and food waste and packaging waste. And also there's a move by some customers from shopping in a store to online shopping, and also to click and collect, where you can order and then come and pick up your package later. So that will all have an effect on logistics and distribution. So these aren't so much predictions, more just what's on the horizon. So obviously at the end of the year, there is the Paris Climate Change Summit in December, in which 196 countries will be coming together to reach a new climate change agreement. We will still also be understanding the impacts of the recent election and what that means for the environment and retail and business, and the development, particularly for retailers and manufacturers, of Court Hold 2025 by RAP and agreed by the 4 UK governments.